in this problem, it is given that Raman planted two climbers A and B at the same spot at the bottom of a 30 meters high cylindrical pillar whose radius is 1 meter. When he came back after a year, he found that the climber A had climbed the pillar by completing 5 uniform spirals in the clockwise direction, and climber B did the same in 3 uniform spirals in the anti-clockwise direction. What is the height at which paths of climbers A and B cross each other for the first time? So let's make figure. Consider it to be like a case where there is a cylinder which is made of by folding a paper. So open that paper and see the case. In this case, this AB is the perimeter of the cylinder, and AE is the height of the cylinder, and case is like this. Climber A reaches the top by making 5 uniform spirals like this. And B reaches the top by making 3 uniform spirals like this. As the height of cylinder is 30, cylindrical pillar is 30 meter, so this has to be 6 and this has to be 10, and basically we have to find this height. This is the point where the paths of two climbers A and B crosses each other for the first time. Say it is X and it is Y. Now it can be noted that triangle A, considered as Z, triangle ZBA is similar to that of triangle XYB. So we can say that X Y upon 6 equals YA upon AB. Similarly, it can also be observed that triangle, in case this point is W, triangle WBA is similar to that of triangle XBY. Again, we get XY. This upon this ratio of corresponding sides equals this upon this, that is by upon AB. On adding these two equations we get xy into 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 equals 1 upon AB into YA plus BY, which is eventually equals AB. So from here we get xy equals 6 into 10 upon 6 plus 10 into AB upon AB, which comes out to be 3.75. So the two climbers meet for the first time at height 3.5 meters. Hence, option D is the correct answer.